Something that's very useful while you're teaching is to be able to send a file to all the learners at the same time. I choose File Transfer. I go to the folder there where I can find the file, and I click on Open. I then get the options to only transfer it, but then they need to know where to find it, which is in the root folder under their user. Best is to open it with the associated program or to transfer it and open the destination folder. So in this instance, it's a Word file, so I'm quite confident that it will be able to open with the associated program. I'll click on Start. And there it has opened for all the learners automatically. Perhaps one of them accidentally closed it, and now they don't know where to find it. Of course, it might be in their recent files. So if we go to the folder, it's here under Recent Files. But if you don't have the time to check that and you want to send it again, you can right-click on the specific learner's computer and choose File Transfer. Now, if I proceed with exactly the same steps and I don't choose Override Existing Files, it actually gives an error on the learner's side. This is the error that they receive when you try to send the same file a second time. As soon as they click OK, it does actually open the file or the folder again. Or it just shows File Transfer at the bottom here and it doesn't actually open it. The safest option, however, is to right-click and choose to transfer it and overwrite the files from before.